Hey, welcome back to our 35 and 35 Insights. 35 turns out to be a lot, so we're still plugging along on sharing our biggest lessons over 35 years so that hopefully we can help accelerate your journey. And today I'm going to turn over to Sherry to talk about what we're going to cover today.
Thanks, Yvette. And today we're talking about promote yourself because nobody else will. Now, Yvette and I have talked about this a lot because in our early days, we did not promote ourselves. And that's because once we started accumulating some really big clients, we kept thinking, oh my gosh, if we write a press release and put the word out there and start really talking about and promoting this, then people are going to steal our clients. That's
Yeah.
what we were afraid of, right?
Yes.
Then we were working with another company, a very large organization, and many different people in the marketing department who said, hey, lay low here. You really don't want the CEO to know your name, because other vendors who have gone out and done the big exposure with the CEO, well, let's just say we're not working with them anymore. So we kind of learned early on, maybe it's better to lay low. And we did for a while. And then we finally decided, you know what? We've had enough experience. We are solid and we've been around long enough. We are going to start talking about these big things we've been doing. And we did, and we never looked back. So just remember, promote yourself because other people aren't going to do it for you.
That's very well said. And, I would double down on that because, in today's world, especially with the opportunities we have with multiple social media platforms and whatnot, promoting yourself is oh so very important. And it's easy to overlook this, especially when you are busy working with customers and working with clients and you're getting into your, managing business. It's easy to overlook. But it's so critical, and make sure you do it. Find a way to do it. Get out there, share what you're doing, and in the long run, you will reap the rewards.